All right, kiddos, let's tackle our partial quotients homework and get a lot more comfortable using this really cool method because it's going to help make understanding our standard algorithm so much easier. So let's look at our problem first. Venom cooks up 252 nugs, chicken nuggies at McDonald's. If he puts 6 into each box, how many boxes will he need to pack them all? All right, seems like we have equal groups, so we could use our GPT. We have 6 nugs per box, NPB, nugs per box. And we are decomposing a total of 252 nuggets. So just imagine fresh out of the fryer, 252 nuggets, a big old mound of them. And he's got to start scooping up 6, putting them into a box, and then shipping them out to customers. So we're trying to figure out how many boxes. All right. So I'm going to start with what we know. We know that there are 6 nugs per box. And that's going to become our rows. And we have a total of 252 nuggets. So I'm going to write that off to the side. 252 nuggets. Really, that's kind of the total amount that's going to go inside our area model, but we're not going to write that in yet. Let me erase that. And then, guys, we're trying to solve the problem. 252 nuggets divided into 6 per box equals, I don't know, boxes. And if we want to think multiplication, which is kind of why this array model works so nicely, we can think 6 nuggets per box times, I don't know, amount of boxes will give us our 252 nuggets in total. All right. So in other words, guys, we are trying to find, in our variable, we have it color-coded, it's in the green. Trying to find the number of groups, the number of boxes. So this green, our columns, is going to represent boxes. All right, let's get started. Sometimes it's just easiest if we jump right in. Cool beans. All right, so 6 nuggets per box times how many boxes will get me close to 252? I'm going to use an extended fact. I know 6 nugs per box times 10 boxes is 60. I can get closer. 6 nugs per box times 20 boxes is 120. I can get closer. In fact, check this out right here. 6 nugs per box times 40 boxes, that's going to box up so many nuggets. That's going to box up 240 nuggets. So out of the 252 nuggets in the pile, I've taken care of 240 nuggets so far. And this is, I think, number 3 on your homework. So I'm going to subtract those nugs that I've already boxed up, and I want to see how many nuggets I have left to box. Oh, nice, you guys. I only have 12 nugs left. And remember, guys, your amount of loose nugs goes in here. Nugs. Cool beans. And then I'm just going to think 6 nuggets per box times how many boxes will get me those 12 nuggets. Or 12 nuggets divided into boxes of 6 is how many boxes? Yeah, 6 nuggets per box times 2 boxes will get those 12 nugs. So far, I made 40 boxes, which was 240 nuggets. And then I made 2 boxes, which was 12 nuggets. Let's take away those 12 nuggets. Do we have any nuggets left to box? No. And where is our answer? Well, here we were looking for the groups, which is the boxes. And our boxes is right up here. So 40 boxes plus 2 boxes is 42 boxes. 252 divided by 6 per box equals 42 boxes. Now, kiddos, in your homework, there's no labels to the numbers. But if at this point of the game, it's helpful for you guys to think about nuggets per box, and boxes, go ahead and use these labels to help you better visualize what's happening in the situation. So we know 6 nuggets per box times 42 boxes should equal 252 nuggets, and we can check right over here. Let's do our check equation. All right, so we know that rows times columns equals area. So nuggets per box times boxes should equal total nuggets. Let's see. 42 boxes times 6 nuggies per box. 6 times 2 is 12. Regroup the 10. 6 times 4 is 24. Plus 1 is 25. Yeah, it totally checks. Nugs. So I know that 42 is the right answer. So I'm going to circle that. Whoops, sorry. Our answer is 42 boxes. 42 boxes is our solution. Let's do one more, and that is another example on your homework. All right. So now we have Venom cooks up a total of 318 nuggies at McDonald's. If he puts 6 in each box, how many boxes will he need to pack them all? Great. So our total, we are decomposing 318 nugs equally into boxes where there are 6, again, nugs per box. And we want to know how many boxes, how many groups. That's where we're going to put our variable. Cool. And then we're trying to figure out, this translates into 318 nugs divided by 6 nugs per box is equal to, well, I don't know, boxes. And it doesn't think nugs is a word, but hey, all good. If we're thinking multiplication, we always start with our divisor, which in this case is 6 nugs per box, multiplied by, I don't know how many boxes, we're trying to find our boxes, is equal to 318 delicious nugs. Boop. Alrighty, so let's start filling in our array. We start with what we know. We know our nugs per box. Our divisor will become our rows. So our divisor will become our rows. We have 6 nugs per box. And we know we have a total. We have to box up a total of 318 nuggies. Nuggies. Nugs. Cool. So again, I'm going to use my extended facts, which are here, to try to figure out 6 nuggets per box times how many boxes will get me close here. Yep. Boom. 50 boxes, going to get me crazy close, kiddos. It's going to get me to 300 nuggets. On the columns, we write the 50 because it's representing our groups. So 50 boxes. That's why I'm color coding it. We don't want you to get confused about what to write where. 6 nuggets per box times 50 boxes, it's going to give us a whopping 300 nugs. So total nugs, or total of anything, no matter your label, is always going to go in the area of your rectangle. Cool. So we started off having a box 318. We've boxed up 300 nuggies so far. How many nuggies do we have left to box? 18 nuggies. That 18, the nuggets always go on the inside. Whatever your total is, goes on the inside of the array. And if it helps, you know what? Let me color code that for y'all. I think that might be helpful. Ooh, that's our total. Things are new. Color coding can be your best pal. Whee! And it's fun. All right, here we go. Boink and back. So I can think 6 nuggets per box times how many boxes will get me 18 nuggets. Ah, we know our times table. 6 times 3 boxes is 18. Cool. So if I have 3 boxes of 6, that's 18 nuggies, all shipped out to customers. And do we have any nuggies left? Nope, no more nuggies. So we're done. And where is our answer here? It's in our groups. What part of our array represents the groups? The columns do, the boxes. 50 boxes plus 3 boxes is 53 boxes. So 53 boxes is our quotient. And the way we check is 53 boxes. All right, check. 53 boxes times 6 nuggets per box should give us our total nugs, because multiplication and division are inverse operations. 6 times 5 is 30, plus 1 is 31. Oh, snap, check it out. It totally matches, which means 53 boxes is the correct answer. 53 boxes is our quotient. And we got there using the partial quotient method. So kiddos, where it says on your homework to estimate, you don't have to do that. We want you to change where it says estimate to check, and you will just do your multiplication check equation, because we want to make sure that you really see that inverse relationship between multiplication and division. You could use multiplication to check your division. All right, guys, study up. If this feels challenging, keep going, kiddos. You got this. We believe in you. All right, have a great day. Bye.
Venom says bye.